Hi and welcome back to another episode on how to hack. And today, we will be learning about how to break into your own Windows 10 computer by clicking on unknown links to unknown files. So, that is pretty dangerous because just by clicking onto any files that you have no idea where to come from, not coming from any verified sources, that can take over your entire computer. So, once again, big disclaimer. Hacking is illegal, so you should only do this by hacking yourself, okay? No one else unless you have written consent, and if you are an ethical hacker, a penetration tester, you have permission from the business, from the organization, from the community to run the hack, okay? If not, only hack yourself. So, over here, I actually have it running. Right here, we have Kali Linux running. I can go ahead and enter IP address to find out the IP address of our Kali machine. Because we need this in order to be able to run our listener server, meaning that we can get that connection back in. So, here we have MSF console that is Metasploit framework that we can launch the attack against the system. Right here we are starting it up, and remember to also run MSF update whenever you get prompted for the update. So, we're starting up the console right now, and we are in the console. The first thing you can do is use exploit. Windows. Miscellaneous. HTA server, and hit enter on this. And over here, what you're going to do now is to go ahead and enter the following, which is set the L host. This is the listening host. This is the IP address that we gotten earlier. Now, we will set the server host, and likewise over here, we have the same IP address to host the file. Now, we can set the payload. How are we going to manage to hack the device? So, we have Windows, interpreter, followed by _TCP. And finally, we set the L port. So, we set the L port as 8111. Once we are done with this, all you got to do right now is to go ahead and enter the following. Enter exploit, and right here we're now hosting the hacking server. So, you see how easy it is just to host a hacking server? That's pretty dangerous, isn't it? Even with just a few commands and instructions, we can quickly host a hacking server that we can send to anyone, and once they click onto the link, that will give us full access in the system. Now, we're going to see what is going to happen once the user clicks onto the link. We enter exploit, and now we have started the server. So, all we got to do now is to give that particular URL to any users, and chances are a lot of these users are using a Windows computer, and once they click onto the link, that's it. Game over. Over here, we have Windows computer running. As you can see here, the user has opened up Microsoft Edge. It can be any browser, it can be Firefox, you have Chrome, it doesn't matter. Once you give them the link, I just drew a fake email through an SMS to a social media message. All they got to do right now is just to click onto the link, which is HTA file. Once they hit enter on it, that's it. We will gain full access into the entire computer. So, right here I pasted the full link, which is the HTA file. So, the user hit enter on this, and they're gonna go ahead and save the file. Perhaps we are faking it as a software that they can get used for free. They can watch movies for free, they can get Netflix for free, they can get Spotify for free. They double click on it. They run it, and right here we can see, game over. We have full control of the entire computer. You can see right here, interpreter session 1 open. So, we can gain full control of the entire computer and we can manage it directly from here. And now, we can even set and see all the following sessions in Metasploit, meaning that we can connect to the session and gain full control of the entire computer system and manage it from here using our Metasploit framework. And you can see here we have the username as well as the computer name, and we can enter sessions-i to connect over into the session. So, here we got the Meterpreter shell and we can enter help. It means that we are in, we have full complete control of the entire computer system. That's how quickly we're able to gain control of the entire system. So, we can enter all sorts of command. I can enter sysinfo and we can see all the details of this particular operating system. This shows us how quickly we can easily gain control of an entire Windows computer in minutes. So, once again, I hope you learned something valuable in today's tutorial. If you like what you watch, hit a like, share, and subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications so that you can be kept updated to the latest how to hack tutorial. Thank you so much once again for watching. On to the next one. Peace.